Hello everyone. So this is another video. Let's go to part 4. Yeah, kasi ang hirap diretso yan. So, hinati-hati ko. Well, for part 4, let's have the mode of payment. Of payment in Classing else is BPI. So, if you don't have BPI yet, go and get an account. But for mine, I use the GCash. GCash, sa GSave, under the GSave, meron din yung My Save App, BPI. Basta BPI siya sa GSave. Yun. If you made an account there, my account number doon, yun yung sinend ko sa kanila. Yun yung ginamit ko, account number. So, because I used it before in my other ESL company, pumasok naman yung pera. It's also their mode of payment is BPI. So, yun, maybe you can do that if you don't have BPI yet. So, yun lang po, BPI lang yung mode of payment sa Classing.